Hey friends, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're diving into a simple but powerful tool to manage AI risks. It's called a SWOT analysis, used across industries to evaluate complex systems like AI. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. It gives us a clear, structured way to look at both internal and external factors that can affect how an AI system performs, from development to deployment and even during real-world use across industries. Let's break it down. Strengths. What's working well? This could be things like strong data quality, skilled developers, or advanced machine learning models. It helps us understand what we can build on and where we have an edge for future growth. Weaknesses. Where are the gaps? Maybe the training data is limited or the AI system lacks transparency and interpretability. Knowing these helps us fix problems before they become serious or lead to bigger risks. Opportunities. What can we take advantage of? This could be new markets, better technology, or growing demand for ethical AI practices. It's about spotting where we can improve or innovate while staying safe and responsible. Threats. What could go wrong? External risks like cyberattacks, legal changes, or public mistrust fall here. These are the things we need to watch and prepare for with smart strategic backup plans. By doing a SWOT analysis, we get the full picture, the good, the bad, and the unknown. It helps teams make better decisions, avoid surprises, and build safer, stronger AI systems that people can genuinely trust. Want more tools like this? Visit ctglobal.my. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.